Hi everyone, it's Ruth with a tip or a suggestion from the Treehouse. I know it's been a minute, so it's nice to see you all again, or hopefully you're seeing me. We've been getting calls from team leaders with a very significant change that all of you have made, which is that you don't meet the way you used to meet. Now you have your teams dispersed virtual and you come together for what I would call the episodic gathering, the monthly, quarterly, or even bi-weekly meeting or retreat. And we get the calls saying, hey, what can you do to tuck in to help us do some professional development? Well, our dilemma is that our modules were designed for half day and full day, pretty intense skill building. But we heard your call and actually found a number of topics that have been requested over the years and have designed five modules to tuck into your existing team retreats. So let me run through them. So here are the five modules. 1, the role of psychological safety and overused strengths inside team communications. The second is building a self-aware team. Do I communicate like I want to my team, and do I want them to communicate with me something different? 3, executive presence and the role of gravitas, especially in a virtual world. 4, let's level up your listening and get rid of those that can't listen anymore because we are so incredibly distracted. And lastly, a new one that we've really been playing on, which is mindset. Sort of what's the mindset you walk into when you're presenting, communicating, influencing, and persuading, and the impact that has downstream. So we hope that you'll check out the modules below. Give us a call if you have a need for some professional development inside your existing team meetings. And if one of these topics doesn't hit it, let us know. We can probably build something else for you. And as always, we still have our very strong complement of coaching and training practice around executive communication on our website. Thanks so much for listening. We'll see you all soon.